Removing the '08 Cadillac DTS power steering holes. So you only really need, well, you're gonna have to lift. You're gonna have to start with the driver's side. Lift it up from right here. How I did it. You can do it. I mean, depending on where you at, it doesn't matter. But I lift it up from the front, right, front left, and the only tool you'll need in this side, I didn't even take the tire off. I mean, you can do that if you want to, whatever, it don't matter. But the only tool I used was this 18 millimeter 18, all right, and a light. You're gonna need a light. Now, I'm about to go up under here. I'm gonna show you. Hold on. Hold on 1 second. Gotta put my gloves on. I already disconnected the line. I'm just gonna show you where it's at. I haven't taken it out yet. I just actually, man, hold on. Got a bad angle here. Okay. Right there. So you can generally see where I'm at, hopefully. See, it's the tire I'm next to, up under here. You see the axle, right there. That's the power steering pump. And what I didn't know is that it's 2 hoses. So I ended up buying the top one because it was the smaller hose, and it ended up not being the hose that I needed, but I got it anyway. But I just disconnected this lower one right here, 18 millimeter, long wrench. It's a little tedious, but that's the only tool I had, but it was an 18. And now, this line runs from the left side of the car to the right side. That's the thing about this. So, oh man, let me see. It runs from the left to the right. There goes the line. Matter of fact, see, I took it out. It's still hanging. Oh, let me see if I can grab it. My hands is tied up for real. Okay, that's the hose. And there's something on that over there that's holding it up. So I'm about to get over there on that side next. But the hardest part was this. Right, well, up to this point. So everything else should be cool. Shouldn't be too bad. So I'll make a part 2.